AstroPay Crypto Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The AstroPay Crypto Wallet app is quickly becoming a go-to choice for users who want an all-in-one payment and crypto solution. But is it really the best option for managing your digital assets? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, AstroPay's biggest advantage is its versatility. It's not just a crypto wallet, it's also a global payment platform that supports fiat currencies, prepaid cards, and online purchases. You can buy, sell, and hold crypto while also using the same app to pay for goods and services. Another major benefit is ease of use. AstroPay is designed for beginners, with an intuitive interface that lets you purchase crypto instantly using local payment methods, credit cards, bank transfers, or even regional payment options like Pix in Brazil or UP in India. It also supports popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dust, making it ideal for everyday use and cross-border transfers. Plus, with built-in two-factor authentication and encryption, it provides solid security for most users. However, there are a few cons to consider. One limitation is that AstroPay is a custodial wallet, meaning you don't fully own your private keys. For users who value decentralization and full control, this can be a drawback. Another issue is limited crypto variety. While the major coins are covered, it doesn't yet support many altcoins or DeFi tokens. And compared to dedicated crypto platforms, AstroPay's fees can be slightly higher for certain transactions. Finally, some advanced users might find it too simplified, lacking tools for staking, NEFs, or advanced trading. In conclusion, the AstroPay Crypto Wallet app is perfect for everyday users who want convenience, simplicity, and global usability in one place. The surprising truth? It's not built for hardcore crypto traders, but for anyone who wants to blend traditional payments with digital assets. AstroPay delivers a smooth, reliable experience.